This is Ben from Testiv, and we are solving an algebra problem. This is a pretty straightforward simplification problem with fractions, but it'll get you to flex your muscles using finding common denominators and dividing fractions. So we have, I'm going to write this a little bit bigger. We have a fraction 2/3 plus 1/2 over 3/4 minus 1/3. The first thing that we need to do when combining fractions is give them a common denominator. So we can do that by multiplying each fraction by 1, except we use the denominator of the other fraction for the numerator and denominator. What I mean is we multiply 2/3. We're adding 2/3 to 1/2. So we're going to multiply 2/3 by 2 over 2, which we got from over here. And we're going to multiply 1/2 by 3 over 3. Down here, we're going to multiply 3/4 by 3/3. And we're going to multiply 1/3 by 4/4. Just taking the denominator from the other fraction. So this is going to equal, well, let's see here, 4/6 plus 3/6 over 3 times 3 is 9/12 minus 4/12. So now we combine because we have the same denominator, so that gives us 7/6 divided by 5/12. Okay, so now we have one fraction divided by another fraction. When you're dividing a fraction by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. Now, if you don't know what that means, it's pretty simple. You are going to flip the bottom fraction and then multiply them together. So 7/6 divided by 5/12 is equal to 7/6 times 12/5. So we flipped this over, and now we're multiplying. When we multiply fractions, we just multiply straight across. So we end up with, 30 in our denominator. And then 7 times 12 is, 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 2 is 14, is 84. Okay, 84/30. Now, clearly 84/30 does not actually match with any of our answer choices here. So we need to figure out which of these answer choices it matches with. We know it's not 6/12 because that's 1/2, and 84 is bigger than 30. Okay. We actually also can be pretty sure it's not 11/6 because that's almost 2, and this is greater than 2. Okay, so how are we going to reduce here? Well, quickest way, given that this is multiple choice, would actually probably be just to check whether, can we divide 30 by anything to get 4? Not an integer, so it's probably not going to be 7/4. Can we divide it by anything to get 5? Yes, we can divide 30 by 6 to get 5. So does this equal 14/5? Well, let's see. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Does 84 divided by 6 equal 14? Let's check. 6 times 14 is equal to, 60, 6 times 10, plus 24, 6 times 4, which is 84. So this is 14/5.